For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a snack food business is an exciting venture that combines creativity, passion for food, and smart business strategy. In today's digital age, artificial intelligence, AI, tools can help entrepreneurs save time, reduce costs, and improve decision-making, especially when you leverage free AI resources available online. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of launching a snack food business using free AI tools, from ideation and planning to marketing and growth. Step 1. Research and define your snack food concept. The first step is to identify the type of snack food you want to create. This could be chips, nuts, protein bars, dried fruits, or innovative snacks catering to dietary trends like keto, vegan, or gluten-free. Use AI-powered research tools, such as ChatGPT, for brainstorming ideas and understanding current market trends. You can prompt ChatGPT with, "What are the most popular snack food trends in 2025?" or suggest innovative snack food product ideas that cater to health-conscious consumers. In addition, use AI tools like Google Trends, free, not fully AI, but data-driven, to analyze consumer interest over time for different snack categories. This research will help you define your unique selling proposition, USP, and target market. Step 2. Create a detailed business plan using AI. A solid business plan is essential for guiding your startup journey and securing potential funding. You can use ChatGPT to draft your business plan by providing clear instructions. Try prompting. Help me create a detailed business plan for a snack food startup that focuses on healthy, plant-based chips targeting millennials in the U.S. This can help generate an outline covering product description, market analysis, operations, financial projections, and marketing strategy. For financial modeling, although free AI tools for complex spreadsheets are limited, you can use ChatGPT to generate basic financial forecasts and budgets. Prompt it with, "Provide a simple financial forecast including startup costs, monthly expenses, and revenue projections for a snack food business." Step 3. Develop your snack food recipes and packaging ideas. If you're not a food scientist, free AI can assist you in recipe ideation and packaging concepts. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm recipe ideas or ingredient substitutions by asking, "Suggest healthy and tasty ingredients for gluten-free snack chips," or create a recipe outline for spicy roasted chickpea snack. For packaging design concepts, AI image generators like DALL-E, free version available on OpenAI's platform, can help you create visual mock-ups. You might input prompts such as, "Design a modern, eco-friendly snack bag packaging with natural colors and bold fonts." Step 4. Validate your snack food concept and brand name. Before investing heavily, it's wise to validate your product idea and brand name. Use AI to analyze the availability and uniqueness of your brand name. ChatGPT can help generate name ideas based on your product niche with prompts like, "Suggest catchy and memorable brand names for a healthy snack food business." For checking trademarks and domain availability, AI-based search assistants like Namecheap's free domain checker or USPTO's trademark search can be used, although not AI per se, but essential digital tools to complement your AI research. Step 5. Plan your production and supply chain logistics. Map out how you will produce your snacks, whether you'll do it in-house, outsource to a manufacturer, or use a co-packer. Use ChatGPT to draft emails or inquiries to potential suppliers and manufacturers. For example, prompt, "Write a professional email to inquire about contract manufacturing for gluten-free snack chips." Also, ask ChatGPT for a checklist to ensure quality control and compliance with food safety regulations. Provide a checklist for FDA food safety compliance for a small snack food business. Step 6. Build your online presence and marketing strategy using AI. Marketing is critical for reaching your audience. Start by creating a brand story and marketing plan with ChatGPT. Prompt, "Help me write a compelling brand story and marketing strategy for a healthy snack food brand targeting young professionals. For social media content, use AI tools like ChatGPT or free versions of content generators, such as Canva's AI text suggestions, to create posts, captions, or blog articles that engage your audience. Try prompts like, generate 10 Instagram post ideas for a new healthy snack brand, or write a blog introduction about the benefits of plant-based snacks. For SEO optimization, tools like Google's free keyword planner, not AI, but essential, combined with ChatGPT's ability to create keyword-rich content, can help improve your website's visibility. Create SEO-friendly website content for a snack food e-commerce site, focusing on healthy snacks. Step 7. Launch your snack food business and collect feedback. Use AI to draft launch announcements, email campaigns, and customer surveys. For example, prompt ChatGPT. Write an engaging email to announce the launch of our new healthy snack brand and offer a discount code. After launching, collect and analyze customer feedback using free survey tools like Google Forms. ChatGPT can assist by helping you draft survey questions to gain insights about taste, packaging, pricing, and overall customer satisfaction. You might ask, create a customer satisfaction survey for a snack food product. Step 8. Analyze sales data and optimize your business. Once your snack food products start selling, leverage free AI analytics tools like Google Analytics for your website and social media insights to understand customer behavior and sales trends. While these are not AI chatbots, they are critical data tools. You can feed summarized data back into ChatGPT to generate insights or recommendations. For example, based on these sales numbers and customer feedback, suggest ways to improve our snack product marketing and sales. Step 9. Scale and expand using AI assistance. As your business grows, continue to use AI tools to streamline operations. Use ChatGPT for drafting grant proposals, investor pitches, or even creating new product development plans. You can prompt, write a pitch for investors highlighting the growth potential of our healthy snack food business. Conclusion. Starting a snack food business using free AI tools is both practical and empowering. From initial market research and product development to marketing and scaling, AI can provide valuable insights, generate creative content, and streamline communication, all while saving you time and money. Leveraging AI at each stage can help you build a strong foundation, create appealing products, and effectively reach your customers. With dedication and the support of these accessible technologies, your snack food business can grow successfully in a competitive market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.